Will ChatGPT kill Google? It's a common question that a lot of people are worried about, especially people who are either advertising on the Google platform or even people who are managing Google Ads campaigns. I keep getting asked that, is ChatGPT going to end Google Ads? Now, in short, the answer is no. Now, here's my justifications, and I'm going to give you 10 different justifications, and the last one is the one that's worrying people the most. So keep watching until the end and let me know what your comments are about ChatGPT and how you might be using it within your business to conduct your Google Ads campaigns. Different use cases. Google Ads is designed to drive traffic to websites from people who are actively looking for your products or services, whereas ChatGPT is basically a conversational AI platform based on the text that you give it, right? So the prompts that you provide to it. It is not an advertising platform. Human involvement. Google Ads is an advertising platform that requires human involvement to create awesome ads, to do testing, and to give it that real user human experience behind it, to create campaigns, to work out, hey, how is a business going to achieve its sales or objective or its leads. So there's a lot of things that go into Google Ads, whereas again, ChatGPT is simply a conversational AI platform that is based on the prompts that a user provides to it. Google Ads requires targeting. It requires a lot of different targeting types of mechanisms in order to target your potential customers. Whereas again, ChatGPT is simply an AI-based conversational platform based on the questions that you asked or the text that you provide and the intelligence that ChatGPT has got within it. It is not designed to create ads for your users or campaigns for your particular business. Google Ads has a larger user base. It has millions of businesses using it in order to advertise and promote their businesses, whereas ChatGPT is not just designed for that, and it's a new kid on the block, right? It's a relatively new kid on the block, whereas it's not, all these businesses that are using Google Ads, they can't just go away all of a sudden just because this AI prompt technology has just come in. Now, if used in the right way, it can assist your Google Ads, but it will certainly not replace your Google Ads. It is not an advertising platform. ChatGPT is not a monetizing platform. It is not designed to monetize from ads, whereas Google Ads is designed to monetize from the ads that you create for promoting your business, to help your business grow. So it's a very different business model, integrating with different Google products. Google Ads can be readily integrated with a whole host of Google products such as Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Google Business Profile, and so much more, whereas ChatGPT, you will need to use third-party applications in order to integrate your Google Ads campaigns or ChatGPT with other platforms. So it's not designed to be part of a whole ecosystem which Google already has built and maintains. Google Ads has a flexible pricing strategy. It has a different bidding strategy. So depending on the objectives that you want to achieve, you can choose what type of bidding strategy you want to use in order to help you accomplish your goals. Whereas again, ChatGPT is a conversational AI platform and it is not designed to go into bidding strategies unlike Google Ads. Proven track record. Google Ads has a proven track record to help profitably grow so many businesses, to generate so many leads and sales for businesses. Businesses aren't simply going to dump that technology just because this new kid is on the block called ChatGPT for conversational purposes. So Google Ads is here to stay. For those of you who are worried about Microsoft, don't be. Even though Microsoft has invested so much into OpenAI, Google is years ahead, it's streets ahead of Microsoft. It's been using AI for many years now, AI, machine learning. It's already got it within its platforms, and it's been releasing so many new platforms using artificial intelligence, whereas Microsoft are simply buying this technology and trying to integrate it within their platform. They just don't have the user base at the moment. So in a nutshell, Google Ads is here to stay. It is not going to be replaced by ChatGPT. It has a very different purpose, so don't confuse the two. Yeah, there's an artificial intelligence chatbot, a very smart one, right? And it's text-based, whereas Google Ads is an advertising platform. Microsoft, it's still in its very infancy stages. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button to support me. Put your comments below. Tell me what your feedback is on ChatGPT. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Whilst at it, why not get a free copy of my book shipped straight to your door? There'll be a link somewhere below this video. Click on it, give me your shipping details, we'll ship the book right off to you. We have covered the cost of getting this book produced. It's called How to Win Customers with Google Ads. The only thing you've got to do is to cover the postage and packaging. So click on the link below and look forward to seeing you on the other side. Goodbye for now.